Welcome, fellow explorers, to another captivating journey with Armchair Archaeology. Today, we're diving into the depths of one of the world's most enigmatic locations, the Bermuda Triangle. This mysterious expanse of ocean, bound by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has captivated imaginations for decades with tales of vanishing ships and aircraft. But what lies beneath the surface of these sensational stories? Is there a grain of truth in the legends, or are they merely products of our collective imagination? Join us as we navigate through history, science, and popular culture to unravel the secrets of this infamous maritime region. And stick around until the end for a surprising revelation that might just change your perspective on the Bermuda Triangle forever. So, grab your life jackets and prepare to set sail into the unknown. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, has a history as deep and mysterious as the waters it encompasses. This infamous region first caught the attention of the Western world during Christopher Columbus's maiden voyage to the New World in 1492. In his log, Columbus reported strange compass readings and unexplained lights in the sky while sailing through the area, setting the stage for centuries of intrigue. However, it wasn't until the mid-20th century that the Bermuda Triangle truly captured the public imagination. The term Bermuda Triangle was coined in 1964 by Vincent Gaddis in an article for Argosy magazine. Gaddis highlighted a series of disappearances in the area, including the infamous case of Flight 19 in 1945, which we'll explore in more detail later. As stories of vanishing ships and aircraft proliferated, the Bermuda Triangle became a hotbed of speculation and fear. The 1970s saw a surge in popular interest, fueled by books like Charles Berlitz's The Bermuda Triangle, which sold millions of copies worldwide. Berlitz's work, along with others, painted a picture of an area plagued by paranormal activity,
extraterrestrial interference,
and even time warps. This period also saw the emergence of various theories attempting to explain the purported anomalies, from underwater cities of Atlantis to magnetic anomalies disrupting navigational equipment. No stone was left unturned in the quest to solve the triangle's mysteries. Despite the sensationalism, it's crucial to note that many respected researchers and institutions have cast doubt on the triangle's reputation. They argue that the number of disappearances in the area is not statistically significant when compared to other similarly sized and trafficked regions of the ocean. Nevertheless, the allure of the unknown continues to draw us back to this intriguing corner of the Atlantic. The Bermuda Triangle's notoriety is built upon a foundation of mysterious disappearances. Among these, two cases stand out as particularly compelling: the vanishing of the USS Cyclops in 1918 and the loss of Flight 19 in 1945. The USS Cyclops was a massive Navy cargo ship, stretching over 500 feet long and weighing 19,000 tons. In March 1918, the ship departed from Barbados, bound for Baltimore with a crew of 309 and a full load of manganese ore. It never reached its destination. Despite an extensive search, no trace of the ship or its crew was ever found. The Cyclops' disappearance remains the single largest loss of life in U.S. naval history not related to combat. What makes this case particularly baffling is the complete absence of distress signals or debris, leading to wild speculations ranging from enemy action to sea monsters. Perhaps even more famous is the case of Flight 19. On December 5, 1945, 5 TBM Avenger torpedo bombers took off from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, on a routine training mission led by experienced instructor Lieutenant Charles Taylor. The flight consisted of 14 men. About 90 minutes after takeoff, Taylor reported that his compasses were malfunctioning and that he was lost. The last radio communication suggested the planes were somewhere in the Florida Keys, but despite extensive searching, no trace of the aircraft or crew was ever found. Adding to the mystery, a PBM Mariner flying boat with a 13-man crew was dispatched to search for Flight 19. Shockingly, this rescue aircraft also disappeared without a trace. The loss of 6 aircraft and 27 men in a single day, without any wreckage ever being discovered, catapulted the Bermuda Triangle into the annals of maritime legend. These disappearances, occurring in peacetime and involving experienced crews, have fueled decades of speculation about the true nature of the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle has spawned a plethora of theories attempting to explain its mysterious reputation. These range from the scientifically plausible to the wildly fantastical, each adding a layer to the triangle's mystique. On the scientific side, several natural phenomena have been proposed as potential culprits. Magnetic anomalies in the area have been suggested to interfere with compasses and other navigational equipment, potentially causing ships and planes to veer off course. Some researchers have pointed to the presence of methane hydrates on the ocean floor. The theory posits that these frozen methane deposits could suddenly release large amounts of gas, reducing the water's density and causing ships to sink rapidly. Another natural explanation involves rogue waves, enormous, unpredictable waves that could potentially engulf even large vessels. Human error, while less sensational, is often cited as a likely cause for many disappearances. The Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico are prone to sudden, violent storms that can catch even experienced sailors off guard. Navigational mistakes, equipment failure, and pilot error could all contribute to accidents in this busy maritime region. However, it's the paranormal theories that have truly captured the public imagination. Some believe the Bermuda Triangle is a hotspot for extraterrestrial activity, with aliens abducting ships and planes for study. Others propose the existence of time warps or dimensional portals in the area, explaining why no wreckage is ever found. The missing craft have simply slipped into another time or dimension. More outlandish theories involve the lost city of Atlantis, suggesting advanced technology from this mythical civilization interferes with modern vessels. Some even claim the US government conducts secret experiments in the area, leading to the disappearances. While many of these theories strain credibility, they underscore the human need to explain the unexplainable and find patterns in random events. Despite its reputation for mystery, the Bermuda Triangle has been the subject of numerous scientific investigations over the years. Oceanographers, meteorologists, and other researchers have scrutinized the area, seeking rational explanations for the reported phenomena. One significant study was conducted by the United States Coast Guard. Their investigation concluded that the number of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle was not statistically higher than in any other similarly sized and trafficked area of the ocean. This finding suggests that the Triangle's reputation may be more a product of selective reporting and sensationalism than actual anomalous activity. Oceanographers have extensively mapped the sea floor in the region, discovering deep trenches and unusual undersea topography. While these features could potentially affect currents and wave patterns, no evidence has been found to support claims of extraordinary dangers to shipping. Meteorologists have focused on the area's weather patterns. The Caribbean is known for its hurricanes and tropical storms, which can develop quickly and with great intensity. Advanced weather tracking has revealed that many historical disappearances coincided with severe weather events, offering a plausible explanation for some of the Triangle's mysteries. Geologists have investigated the methane hydrate hypothesis, confirming the presence of these deposits in the region. However, there's no evidence that they pose a significant threat to modern shipping. Perhaps most importantly, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, has stated unequivocally that there is no evidence of any extraordinary factors at play in the Bermuda Triangle. They attribute the area's reputation to a combination of heavy maritime traffic, unpredictable weather, and the human tendency to seek extraordinary explanations for tragic events. While these scientific investigations have debunked many of the more sensational claims about the Bermuda Triangle, they have also deepened our understanding of this complex and fascinating region of the world's oceans. The Bermuda Triangle's reputation for mystery is partly rooted in its unique and often challenging environmental conditions. This region of the Atlantic Ocean is known for its unpredictable and sometimes extreme weather patterns, which can pose significant challenges to mariners and aviators alike. One of the most notable features of the area is the Gulf Stream, a powerful ocean current that flows through the triangle. This current can cause rapid and dramatic changes in weather conditions, potentially catching even experienced sailors off guard. The warm waters of the Gulf Stream can clash with cooler air masses, leading to the sudden formation of intense storms, squalls, and waterspouts. The Bermuda Triangle is also situated in a region prone to tropical cyclones, including hurricanes. These massive storm systems can develop quickly and move unpredictably, creating treacherous conditions for ships and aircraft. Historical records show that many disappearances attributed to the triangle's mysterious powers coincided with the passage of powerful storms. Another unusual feature of the area is the presence of methane hydrates on the seafloor. While their role in disappearances is debated, these deposits can potentially affect water density and buoyancy. Some theories suggest that large releases of methane could create areas of reduced water density, potentially affecting a ship's buoyancy. The triangle is also known for its deep trenches and complex undersea topography. These features can create unusual wave patterns and currents, potentially catching mariners by surprise. Some researchers have suggested that these underwater features could contribute to the formation of rogue waves, enormous, unpredictable waves that seem to appear out of nowhere. While none of these conditions are unique to the Bermuda Triangle, their combination and intensity in this particular area create a challenging environment for navigation. Understanding these environmental factors is crucial for separating fact from fiction in the Triangle's legendary reputation. The Bermuda Triangle has attracted the attention of numerous writers, researchers, and skeptics over the years, each contributing to the evolving narrative surrounding this mysterious region. One of the most influential figures in popularizing the Bermuda Triangle mystery was Charles Berlitz. His 1974 book, The Bermuda Triangle, became an international bestseller, captivating readers with tales of unexplained disappearances and possible paranormal explanations. Berlitz's work, while criticized for its lack of scientific rigor, played a crucial role in cementing the Triangle's place in popular culture. On the other side of the spectrum, we find skeptics like Larry Kuscher, a librarian and pilot. Kuscher wrote The Bermuda Triangle Mystery Solved in 1975. His meticulous research challenged many of the claims made by Berlitz and others. Kuscher famously stated, "If you take a look at a map of the so-called Bermuda Triangle, you will see that it covers a vast area of ocean. Many incidents have occurred there, but no more than in other similarly sized areas of the ocean." Another notable figure is David Kuscher, no relation to Larry, a U.S. Coast Guard officer who conducted extensive research into triangle incidents. He concluded that many disappearances could be explained by human error, bad weather, or mechanical failure, stating, "The Coast Guard does not recognize the existence of the so-called Bermuda Triangle as a geographic area of specific hazard to ships or planes." More recently, scientists like Dr. Simon Boxall, an oceanographer from the University of Southampton, have contributed to the discussion. Dr. Boxall has suggested that some disappearances could be explained by rogue waves, enormous, unpredictable waves that can reach heights of up to 100 feet. These diverse perspectives highlight the ongoing debate surrounding the Bermuda Triangle, balancing sensationalism with scientific skepticism. The Bermuda Triangle has left an indelible mark on popular culture, inspiring countless books, movies, TV shows, and even music. Its mysterious allure has made it a go-to plot device for creators looking to inject an element of the unknown into their work. In literature, the Triangle has been the subject of both non-fiction explorations and fictional adventures. Beyond Charles Berlitz's influential work, authors like Vincent Gaddis and John Wallace Spencer penned popular books on the subject. In fiction, the triangle has served as a backdrop for novels ranging from sci-fi thrillers to romance adventures. Hollywood has frequently turned to the Bermuda Triangle for inspiration. The 1977 Steven Spielberg classic Close Encounters of the Third Kind famously opens with the discovery of Flight 19 in the Gobi Desert, suggesting an alien abduction. Other films like The Triangle, 2001, and The Bermuda Triangle, 1978, have focused entirely on the region's mysteries. Television has also embraced the Triangle's enigmatic reputation. The popular series Lost, 2004-2010, while not explicitly set in the Bermuda Triangle, drew clear inspiration from its themes of mysterious disappearances and inexplicable phenomena. Documentary series and specials on channels like History and Discovery have frequently explored the Triangle's legends. Even the music world hasn't been immune to the Triangle's allure. Electronic music pioneer Barry Adamson released an album titled The Bermuda Triangle in 2016, while numerous other artists have referenced the region in their lyrics. Video games, too, have incorporated the Bermuda Triangle into their narratives. Games like Bermuda Triangle, Saving the Coral, and The Secret Files Tunguska have used the region as a setting for adventure and mystery. This pervasive presence in popular culture has helped maintain the Bermuda Triangle's status as one of the world's most enduring mysteries, ensuring its place in our collective imagination for generations to come. While the Bermuda Triangle's heyday of mystery was in the mid-20th century, reports of unusual incidents in the area have continued into modern times, keeping the legend alive. In 2015, the cargo ship El Faro vanished in the Triangle during Hurricane Joaquin. All 33 crew members were lost, and the wreck was only located a month later by a deep-sea robot. While the official investigation attributed the sinking to a combination of human error and severe weather, some continue to speculate about possible triangle-related factors. Another modern incident occurred in 2017 when a small private plane carrying 4 people disappeared near the Bahamas. Despite an extensive search, no trace of the aircraft or its occupants was ever found. The circumstances of this disappearance, occurring in good weather and involving an experienced pilot, have fueled ongoing speculation. In 2020, a series of unexplained compass malfunctions were reported by ships passing through the Triangle. While likely due to natural magnetic anomalies, these incidents have reignited interest in the area's purported navigational oddities. Ongoing research in the region continues to yield intriguing results. In 2018, scientists discovered a massive underwater volcanic zone off the coast of Florida, within the Triangle. While not directly linked to disappearances, such findings remind us that there's still much to learn about this part of the ocean. The advent of advanced technology has also impacted modern investigations. Satellite imagery, deep-sea robotics, and improved radar systems have made it easier to track vessels and aircraft, potentially reducing the number of unexplained incidents. However, these technologies have also revealed new mysteries, such as satellite images of peculiar hexagonal clouds over the Bermuda Triangle, which some researchers believe could be linked to powerful air bombs capable of downing aircraft. While modern incidents may be fewer and farther between, the Bermuda Triangle continues to captivate our imagination and inspire scientific inquiry. As we navigate through the swirling mists of myth and fact surrounding the Bermuda Triangle, it's time to reveal a surprising twist that challenges the prevailing narrative. Despite its reputation as a treacherous zone of mysterious disappearances, insurance companies don't actually charge higher premiums for ships and planes passing through the Bermuda Triangle. This revelation comes from none other than Lloyd's of London, one of the world's leading insurance markets. They state unequivocally that they do not charge higher rates for vessels or aircraft traversing this infamous region. This practical, financial perspective suggests that the Bermuda Triangle is, in fact, no more dangerous than any other similarly sized area of ocean. This fact underscores a crucial point. While the Bermuda Triangle has captured our collective imagination for decades, the reality may be far less sensational than the legends suggest. It reminds us of the importance of critical thinking and the need to separate fact from fiction, even when dealing with long-standing cultural myths. As we conclude our journey through the enigmatic waters of the Bermuda Triangle, we invite you to continue exploring the mysteries of our world with armchair archaeology. If you found this voyage into maritime legend enlightening, please support our channel by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing for more fascinating explorations into history and archaeology. Don't forget to activate the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming adventures. We're eager to hear your thoughts. What other mysterious locations or historical enigmas would you like us to investigate next? Share your suggestions in the comments below. Until our next discovery, keep exploring, keep questioning, and remember, sometimes the most intriguing mysteries are those that challenge our preconceptions. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the Bermuda Triangle, where the lines between myth and reality often blur. Keep your minds open, your curiosity sharp, and your spirit of adventure alive. Until next time, this is Armchair Archaeology, signing off from the enigmatic waters of the Bermuda Triangle.